Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get latest emojis on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to get latest emojis on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do that. So now to get the latest emojis, you just have to try to update your software and also update your keyboard. So let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing you have to simply go to your settings app here, and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Go to the network setting here, go to VPN, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So after disconnecting a VPN, just go back and here just scroll down and look for software update, or sometimes it might be system update, or you can also try to use the search option here. Just tap on the search option and just simply search for update settings. You just have to search for update and you might get that option. So here you can see I have the system update option. Just select this, and once you have updated your system or your software, just go back and open your Play Store. In Play Store, you have to search for the keyboard you're using. In my case, I'm using Gboard or Google Board, so I'm gonna update my Gboard here. Just tap on the search option, and you have to simply search for Gboard. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Gboard app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, you'll get the latest emojis. If you're using any other keyboard, so as you can see, I'm also using this second keyboard. So I'm gonna update this one also. Open Play Store again, and here just search for your second keyboard which you're using. In my case, I'm using this one, so I'm going to update this. So here you can see I have an independent update for this, but if you find this, try to update your Gboard or your keyboard app, and after updating you might get the latest emojis available on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.